Hi everyone, I'm Laura. Today we're going to talk about microplastic. Never heard of it before? That's okay, most people haven't. Microplastic is plastic smaller than a grain of rice. When plastic breaks down, it does not biodecompose like organic material. It will break down over time, but it doesn't ever go away, so it just goes into smaller pieces. Plastic that's broken down to small particles, we're talking nanoplastic. And that's a whole bunch smaller. I don't know the technical size for it. Plastic will break down in the ocean to small enough pieces that can be eaten by plankton. Little fishies eat plankton, and big fish eat little fish, and humans eat big fish. So on and so forth enters plastic into the food chain. They say that there's plastic everywhere, including in our water. I'm gonna put that to the test to find out, is there really plastic in our water? I've heard that every human has the equivalent of a credit card size worth of plastic inside of them, like right now. That freaks me out a little bit. Nobody seems to know about this. So I'm gonna learn how to collect water samples that can help us with some scientific research on the amount of plastic that is actually in our water. I'm gonna have some different locations I'm gonna have to go collect water from all over the county. Seems like it's gonna be pretty easy, right? I'm gonna do some scientific research and find out if this is all true. I'm a citizen scientist. There's plastic everywhere. Right there, that's plastic. That's plastic. There's plastic in our air. When you breathe in, you're breathing in nano-sized particles of plastic in the air. There's plastic in your water. I mean, I don't want plastic in our water. There's plastic in our honey. There's plastic in beer. That's what they say. Plastic never goes away. So I'm gonna check it out, okay? We're gonna go check it out. You can kind of see tiny little floating particles in your water sometimes, and I never really thought anything of it, like it's just little dust. So let's go learn about microplastics.
Hi everybody, I'm Devin with Keep Pinellas Beautiful, and I'm going to be showing you today how to collect a water sample to analyze it for microplastics. Follow me right this way. So the first thing you want to do is you want to assume this might have been used for some other type of water before, maybe for a previous sample. There can be microplastics even in tap water. So what you need to do is you need to triple rinse, actually both the lid and the cap. Both the lid and the cap. Those are the same thing, both the cap and the bottle. There we go. Just get deep enough. You can see like right now, I'm about ankle deep, a little bit deeper here. I'm just gonna kind of fill this up with a little bit of water, shake it around, done. That's 1, 2, and 3. Shaking it around a little bit, and then this guy 3 times. 1, 2, 3. These are now both rinsed, they're ready for your sample. So you don't want to collect in the exact same spot because you might have just contaminated this water here. So what you want to do is move to another spot. Ideally you want to go upstream. So if there's a current, you want to go into the current so that you don't want to be going down current and collecting that same sample you just potentially dumped. So I'm just going to walk down over this way. This is pretty good. All right, now since I am at the shore and I'm not just reaching down into the water, I'm going to go to about knee depth because I don't want to get a lot of sand in there. All right, at about knee depth or so, and then what you want to do is you're going to put this in the water at about a 45-degree angle, and you let the water fill up, collecting right from the surface. Right, here we go. That's it. The sample is collected.
I am here in Feather Sound, ready to take my water sample. So first I'm going to rinse it 3 times. I'm gonna go way out there, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna rinse it 3 times. Okay. Then I'm supposed to move so that I don't get the same water in my things. So, I'm supposed to get the surface water. That'll do it. I am here at Key to collect my water sample. Check it out. I'm gonna get in there somehow. I'm standing on a rock. Got my water sample. Made it work. Got my sample. Now I'm here at the 4th Street Fishing Bridge, ready to get my water sample.
at Dunedin Pier for my last water sample. All right, so I'm gonna clean my jug. The other side. My last water sample. Thank you. So now that I have this last water sample, I'm all done. My 5 samples plus Devin's sample that he showed me how to do it. So now we're going to do some science and check out under a microscope if there is any plastic in the water. So I'm interested to see if we got plastic in our water or not. Check it out.
Keep Pinellas Beautiful is joining forces with Florida Microplastic Awareness Project to train more citizen scientists just like you to do this too. If you want to get involved, reach out to info@kpbcares.org.